Hello friends, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Today I'll present you one more phone that will make you shake because it's so beautiful and mesmerizing with all of the functions that it has inside. And of course, it's from the budget sector, like my previous phone that if you want to check out, I'll put cards up there. Thank you very much for watching this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. And now let's go and unpack Redmi Note 9S, the son of Redmi Note 8 Pro. And they say it's good and it will be the new king of the budget sector. I chose the most special color for you that we will look together, but first let's open the box. The first thing that we see is this. In this pocket we have our special case. I really like Redmi because they always put a case for their phone in the box. You know that's normally extra cost, but Redmi puts it for you, so you would enjoy your phone without issues from the first day. Except the case, here we have two booklets, warranty card and quick guide card. In this segment we have also the SIM ejecting tool. On the next row is the phone, but before checking the phone I want to show you what else there is in the box. Here we have our 18-watt fast charger and our cable. And the box is empty. I really miss having a pair of earplugs inside, but you can't have everything in this world. And now let's see the main thing. This is the phone, Redmi Note 9S. Extremely beautiful phone with amazing features, as I said. One of them is the Octacore processor with 2 cores on 2.6 GHz and 6 cores on 1.8. It has special name even, I forgot how was the name. It's Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with 8nm high efficiency processor. We have also very cool graphics. This phone is perfect for gamers who want to game without being interrupted. And of course the other bonus, 48 megapixel camera in such a budget bijou. The phone costs only around $250, even less than this you can find it, and you receive everything. The memory is 4 GB RAM and 64 ROM. Pretty much space. Of course you have place where you can put the SD cards for extra to 56 GB, and you have dual SIM, everything in one slot. Let's go ahead and look at it because you will be mesmerized by the color. If you want to see the color, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will review it to you now. Be ready. Ta-da! A beautiful blue color, reflecting all of the sunbeams, making you feel amazing. I have never seen such a beautiful color as this one on a phone's back. It impressed me from the first sight. I love it. It's plastic, but it doesn't look that way. Now let's take a look at the screen. The screen is IPS Full HD Plus. It's 60 Hz with very vibrant colors. The brightness is comfortable. We see the sides and the different ports that we have, charging one, speaker, audio jack. We have the power on and off button where is the fingerprint on. Yes, this time the fingerprint is here. And this is how we unlock it if we don't have fingerprint. Then we'll look at the interface. The menu is clear and bright. Very user-friendly interface with all of the functions that you may need. Everything powered up by the 8-core processor. Yes, here we have processor Snapdragon 720G with two cores working on 2.6 GHz and 4 cores working on 1.8. The graphics are Adreno 680. This will make you happy no matter what games you're playing. Nothing is missing on this phone. Don't forget that your memory is 4 GB RAM and 64 ROM. Here again we took a look at the back because it's so impressive that we just can't stop admiring it. We see the block of the quad camera. The main one is 48 megapixel. Then we have 8 megapixel for wide angle camera and 5 macro to make your background blurry and make you feel that this phone is actually a professional camera at the same time. The speaking experience is more than amazing. The phone has amazing microphone and you hear everything clear and nice. Of course, you can notice that when you speak on this phone, there is no way of you to be invisible, because everybody will take a look at the back. I just can't stop admiring the back. I don't know if you feel the same way, but every sunbeam, every flicker is visible. This phone is very powerful. Now we check the selfie camera, which is 16 megapixel, into the screen. It has different modes: portrait, selfie, HDR, selfie, beauty mode, slimming mode. It depends what you want. The selfies are clean and nice. Every detail is there, and especially when you put HDR effect, it looks even more beautiful. Now I'm trying the 48 megapixel camera. I'll put all of the photos on the end of the video so you wouldn't miss out anything. Everything is ultra clear when you use this camera. Now I tried the 5 megapixel macro sensor by just making photo of the tree here. It's so easy to use this phone. It's not that heavy, it's perfect, it's big, it catches every detail. The interface is MIUI 11, which is based on Android 10. And the battery is 5020 mAh. Here we're trying the different settings of the camera. This is Redmi Note 9S, a masterpiece of beauty. Let's see if that phone can play as good as it looks, because the look is not everything. Let's do a PUBG Mobile test right now. Everything is loading fast, even though my battery is very low right now, which is impressive. As you see, we're already in the game almost. I'm really impressed how fast we find the match every time. It's from the game. Do you understand? I'm throwing apples. So retarded. Everything is so smooth. The graphics are so beautiful. You can see the water, everything looks amazing. We're in the plane. Oh, just jump. My teammates are not exactly cooperative, that's why I jump wherever I want. Everything is on high, maxed out. I will go in the most hot zone so I could die fast.
Let's go!
Let's go! Everything is smooth, very nice graphics. As you see, my motorbike ride was pretty cool. I'm cruising around.
I need a weapon!
Nobody has killed me yet. I want to show you the shooting.
I need a weapon!
Me also. I think here I can find somebody who wants to kill me. Or some weapon that I can show how to shoot with.
I got supplies!
I can't exactly shoot, guys, as you see. Yay! And I was thinking that I'm shooting, I'm very good. But as far as I saw, the phone is perfect in gaming and it doesn't overheat that much, even though the battery is only 7%. Now I will show the beautiful video. This is the screen capabilities. It looks very beautiful. At the same time, you can hear the maximum of the speaker. It's not super loud, but I think if you want to expect something more for 400 level phone or 200 euro, even yes, you can find it, less you can find, I don't know. Okay guys, I think it was very fun to review this beautiful phone with its blue back, amazing colors and functions. If you like this review, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow Gabby Tech on social media. I will drop a link from where you can buy it. Bye bye!